Hi friends, I have a brand new craft space and I've been slowly setting everything up. Along this wall, I had my armoire in place, but there was this empty space above it that just felt unfinished. I knew something belonged there, I just wasn't sure what yet. Then it hit me. I've had this mug cubby storage for quite some time and I was honestly running out of creative ways to use it. I was this close to donating it until I was rewatching Gilmore Girls for what feels like the millionth time, because let's be honest, I'm a huge fan, and it suddenly clicked. Luke Steiner, the mug cubbies. And just like that, inspiration struck. And once I made that connection, I knew exactly what I wanted to do. I decided to theme my cubby around Luke Steiner, turning it into a little cozy little nod to one of my all-time favorite shows. My cubby originally had these small bronze label holders, which I removed since I knew I'd be giving it a fresh coat of paint. The big question was, what color? Authenticity really matters to me when recreating something inspired by a show, and Luke's cubbies had that perfect blue-gray tone. After testing several shades of blue, I did the hard work for you. I finally landed on the perfect match, Rust-Oleum chalked and coastal blue. It's honestly spot on. It took about 2 to 3 coats to get full coverage, so if you're working with a cubby similar to mine in size, which measures about 20 inches by 23 and 5/8 inch, I'd recommend grabbing at least 2 cans of spray paint. Once everything was dry, I added the metal label slots back into place and mounted the cubby on the wall. This piece does have some weight to it, so definitely make sure you're using proper anchors or reinforcements when hanging it. Then came the fun part, styling it. I added all of my Gilmore Girls mugs, accessories, memorabilia that I've collected over the years, and just like that, this little corner became something really special. It's now my cozy, happy spot in my craft room, a tiny tribute to one of the most beautifully written shows ever, in my honest opinion. Now I can have my coffee at Luke's and feel just a little transported to Stars Hollow every time I walk by. And just a side note, if you are someone like me that likes to collect items from TV shows, whether that's a mug that was featured on one of your favorite TV shows, I do recommend looking into Cinema Spells. Kate over there that manages that Instagram account, she is a whiz at sourcing items from all different TV shows, from Friends to Frasier to Gilmore Girls to some movies. It's incredible. I don't know how she does it. She definitely has an eye for all of the little pieces that are featured in shows, from clothing to shoes to mugs, you name it, home accessories. It's incredible. So I will put her link down below so you can check her out. She's honestly one of the sweetest people I have ever met. I hope you enjoyed this little peek into my craft space. A full craft room tour is coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. I also hope this video inspires you to look at items you might be ready to donate in a new way. Sometimes all it takes is a little imagination to give something a whole new life. And let me know in the comments, are you a Gilmore Girls fan? If so, who's your favorite character? It's really hard for me to narrow that one down because I love all of them in their own ways. But if I had to choose at least 2, I would say Luke and Michelle. I feel like they keep it real on the show, and I respect that. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more crafty content. Until next time, friends, enjoy your cup of coffee, tea, whatever beverage you choose, and bye for now.